Hey, what is going on, legends? This is Ron from OptimizeFX. Welcome to another awesome video about the $1,000 challenge. If you're new to the channel, this is just a challenge where I pit 12 expert advisors or robots against each other, and I give them $1,000 and put them on all the same broker parameters, so they're all raw accounts, and I let them trade. And we are just basically just doing a one big forward test. So this is pretty much what this series is all about. It's been going now for like this is the 29th week, I think. So this one has been going for quite a while. I'm just going to keep it going. And right now we are looking at Sky Blue version 1.2. This is an EA that is going really well. I'm only trading it on 2 pairs, except for GU, which is this one here, which is not in any trades at the moment. But we had it on medium risk. Yeah, we had it on medium risk, and it didn't like it, and we lost a little bit of the account. We didn't blow the account, but we lost a bit of the account. So we're back to $1,637. I think I got up to 2K. But this week it didn't make a whole heap. It made $42, which is still reasonable. I'm not saying it's not bad. It's not. You didn't lose money, so it's not bad. But I thought GU would take some trades, and it didn't take any trades. So maybe something's not right. Yeah, maybe something's not right there. I'm not sure. But we can see GU possibly did a triple top, really. If you have a look here on H1, and then it's coming back now. It's hit a bit of it was resistance and now turns support. So we might see it bounce off here, or we might see it break that and head down further to the 1.34 zone next week. We'll see. But yeah, they've been trading quite well. They're both on low risk now, on like a medium take profit, and yeah, it's going well. It's going well. If you're looking to start that robot, just hit me up in the comments below, and I'll give you the email address for the guy that sells it, and you can buy it. I'm not sure how much he sells it for. I know it's under $100 US. But yeah, it's quite a good EA. Definitely can recommend it, and I think the minimum account balance for it on one pair is like $500 if you do it on very low settings and low everything. So yeah, definitely worth looking at. Now EA Pip Scalper, I might remove it from the challenge, and the reason being is that I think the settings that I have are not optimized enough for it to make any profits. So I think I'll remove it this week. I can't remove it until tomorrow though, because it might be in. No, it's not in any trades. I might be able to remove that. Remove it now and replace it with something else. I haven't really thought about it yet, but I just feel as if this EA needs a lot of optimization in order for it to generate profitable trades. Otherwise, it just wins and loses, and you don't get anywhere. So at the moment, this week we've lost. Well, it says we've lost $37. Oh no, this week lost $3.30. So don't know how that works. $3.98 plus $2 plus 2 minus 11. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I think I'll remove it and replace it with something else. I might bring it back a bit later on. We'll see how it goes. But I think everyone that has bought this EA, and I do have a paid version of this. Everyone that has bought this EA has either won money, not won, but has gained money with it. But most people I know have not gained any money with it. So I'm not too sure what we're all doing wrong. In all the testing, it looks great. So maybe we got jibbed. I don't know. Now FX Stabilizer is definitely living up to its name. It has been the most stable EA in the whole challenge, and we are currently experiencing a tiny bit of drawdown, but not too much. Negative $7, and it made I don't know how it made $95 this week. I think maybe it's because this computer got turned off by accident, and then when I turned it back on, it closed a heap of trades and profit. So not sure what happened there, but let's just confirm this, because that just seems not right. Trade account history. Okay, yeah. So go to the 11th. What did it make? $95. Where is that? Bingo. EU buy 16. Okay. Oh, right, so I'd end up closing out trades in a big move down. Right, okay. Yes, that does make sense at some point. But yeah, very unusual for it to make that much money. Okay. Yeah, okay, week 95, sweet. Okay, yeah, so that's what it did this week. Obviously, it will make more money in markets that are swinging up high and low, which is what Euro USD did do lately, so it's gone quite well. FX Pro Ireland is up $30 this week, so that's really good to see. It has made money, but you know, it has its good weeks and its bad weeks. Like it lost $14 on Friday, but made 4, 16, 5, and for the week made 30. So that's good. Still undecided about this one as to whether it's worth trading live or not. But we'll see. We'll let it go a little bit longer, or I might change it out for something else. There's quite a few other EAs I'd like to try, so we'll see. If anyone has any suggestions as well, feel free to comment below, and we'll have a look and see if we can acquire it and chuck it on the challenge. So I might have 2 positions available. Next we have EA Badak, and just remember this one's on H4, and it has made $30 this week, which is not too bad at all for one currency pair on H4. So Badak, it generally makes more money on a lower time frame, so if you put it on H1 it will make a lot more, but you expose yourself to way more risk because the sizing between the trades is a lot less. But yep, H4 is going well, and we're currently negative $28 in drawdown, so that's nothing too bad at all for the size of the account, which is $906. Next we have PFX, which is experiencing quite a bit of drawdown right now, and due to Euro Pound, and I'll just keep my close eye on Euro Pound. That's nothing. And Euro CHF, Euro AD came back and it closed. Those ones, Euro USD, and it has closed. So Euro CHF and Euro Pound are the 2 that it is in trouble with. So we'll see what happens this next week. But it made $338 this week, considering all that. But it is now down $755 because of these 2 currency pairs. Would I trade out the currency pairs for the pound pairs for something else? Hell yeah, I probably would, especially considering Brexit and all that kind of stuff, and the volatility around the pound. I just chose these currency pairs just straight off the bat. I didn't even think about ADR or anything like that when I chose these pairs. I just like, yep, these will do. Chuck it on M15 time frame. These are the settings, and let it go. So if this would have been a live account, it would have been absolutely amazing. If demo and live accounts trade the same way and give the same signals. So still yet to prove that one. But yeah, I think it's going quite well. It does have $7,879 in the account, so a drawdown of $755 right now is nothing too crazy. Oh, it says current DD 1122. Let's see if that is correct or not. No, 757. Okay. So this one here. Okay, this one here. Negative 757 at the moment, just because of these 2 euro pairs. Next, we have my own EA. We have Parabolic. It made $16.87 for the week. This is version 1. This is not the version that I have on the market, so I could swap it out when it closes all its trades. It's currently in some trades at the moment. It's experiencing a little bit of drawdown. It's nothing too much at $58, but we are taking profit at $5 there. So it's going quite well. It's made $198 for the month so far, which is really good. And all profits. Let's have a look at This is the gold mining EA low. So this is the low risk version of gold mining EA. It trades the M1 time frame, and it has gained its money back that it lost last week. So it's made $125 profit this week, but in the month it's down 157. So we are still down, but you know, it came back with $125 profit this week, so it went really well. I think that's because maybe there wasn't any huge dumps in gold. Let's have a look. There was maybe 28. No. So gold pretty much ranged for this week. So yeah, still yet to see how it fares on a big price jump. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I still don't think $800 is enough for gold to trade it with this EA, but we'll see how it goes. Baby Shark, if you remember this one, I started on 10k. I just wanted to see how it go on 10k. This week it made $116. For the month it's up 480, and we are not currently in any trades at all at the moment. We've got a balance of $1,177, so it is going as planned. And this is on a risk of 0.5%, which is the lowest, I still think, the lowest percentage you can do without it not trading. Next, we have Life Changer. And I believe this is the Life Changer that I'm using all the pairs on here, and everything else I think is default. Multiplier at 1.11 step, take profit, stop loss, max trades each side. It is a trailing step, and these are all the pairs you can choose for it to trade. You can choose it to trade 30 pairs if you really want to, but the max amount of pair it trades right now is 2. So and right now it's up $1.54, and for the week it made $22. So that's nothing to sneeze at all. It's up $67 for the month, so that's really good. And we are 17th day into the month, so we've still got a bit to go. We'll see how it goes. This is Simplicity. The Simplicity EA, and it is up 91 cents for this week. So it had a couple of winning days and a couple of lost days. So it's evened itself out. Not really too much else to really update you all on that. And very last but not least, we have the Ranger EA, which is up $10 at the moment, and it made $24 this week. So that is really good for Ranger. And I noticed when I restarted the computer earlier that the charts are a bit stuffed up. So I'm not sure if it traded all week or not. So we'll see. Because sometimes this computer likes to do automatic updates and not tell me. So anyway, and we'll quickly have a look at, not my channel, but we'll have a look at the MyFX book stats. And we can see there that PFX is currently winning. And we'll go down to all these stats down here for MyFX book. So BDAC is up $180 since I started it. Gold mining is down $155. Baby Shark is up $1,075. Sky Blue is up $630, even though it lost a bit. It's still up money. It didn't blow the account, so that is also good. EA Pip Scalp is up $116. FX Stabilizer $926. EAPS might not be right because that drawdown's at 99.92%. And same with gold mining. Might need to fix them. Actually, let's see if we can fix it now. If you're not aware how to use my FX book, we can see here that it might be correct. Might be correct. Okay, negative 29%. When did it start? So this is how I find out. So essentially I go to gold mining, which is, yep, this one, the right one, straight up. have a look at when it started. When it started trading. So let's go back before. Oh, maybe it was the 31st to the 12th. Maybe I did this already. Yes, okay, so it wouldn't let me do it before. Let's do this. Okay, 31st to the 12th. I'll analyze that. Okay. Custom start date. Yep. And we'll change that back to that. Okay, bingo. Okay, that's better. Okay, yeah, drawdown 77%. Haha. Righto, still not great, but at least we fix that up. Reset zoom. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's go back to the challenge. Okay. Yes, gold mining still not great, even though I made it a little bit better. And ranges up 80, parabolics up 273, simplicity $7.89, Forex Island 511, life changer 88. We've got PFX, which is 6,880, drawdown of 38%, FX stabilizer 33%, EA scalper, that's not correct, but I'm not going to fix it because I think I might remove it anyway. And that is pretty much it from me. That is just a quick update on how all the robots are trading. If you've got any suggestions for any more EAs that I could put in replace of EAPS and maybe Island, please comment down below if I can get it, if it's not too expensive anyway. And I'll chuck it on the challenge and we'll see how they all go. But thank you very much for watching. Until then, I've got an optimization video on parabolic coming out. So I'm just working on that now. And we're going to look at ways on how we could get it to make more money than what it is making right now by using multiple pairs and maybe multiple sets. So until then, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.